Hello everyone, welcome back grade 4. Are you ready for today's lesson? Lesson 3.4. Open your book, page 163, and let's start. Today we are gonna learn how to multiply using partial products. First of all, if you want to multiply two-digit number by two-digit number, you have to estimate first. Let's estimate it by rounding both of the numbers. 34 become 30 because 4 is a weak number, so it doesn't do anything, so put the same 30. 57, 7 is a strong number, so gives 1 to 5, it becomes 6, so it will be 60. And then let's multiply them together. We have two zeros, put it as the same, and 3 multiplied by 6 equals 18. So our estimate here is 1800. Now, let's learn how to get the exact answer using partial products. Okay, step 1, let's multiply tens as you see here. Let's rewrite it here. 57 multiplied by 34. Okay, now we're gonna multiply the tens place. So we're gonna multiply tens by tens. In tens place, we have 1 0 and 1 0, right? So let's put the two zeros as the same, like you see here, and multiply as usual. 5 multiplied by 3 equals 15. So that's our answer. That's the first partial product. Okay, let's move to step 2. Let's rewrite it here. Now we are gonna multiply 7 and 3. 7 in ones place and 3 in tens place. So we're gonna multiply ones by tens, right? So ones place, there is no zeros in ones place. And tens place, you have to put 1 0. So you have to put 1 0 here, and 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21. Write this with me, please. So our answer is 210. Let's write here. Okay, what about the next step? Step number 3, you have to multiply tens by ones. Tens takes how many zeros? 1 0. And ones takes no zeros, right? So you have to put 1 0. And then 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. So our answer here is 200. Let's write it here. Let's move to the next step. And in this case, we're gonna multiply the ones place. So let's multiply ones by ones. Ones place, there is no zeros in ones place, right? So don't put any zeros. And 7 multiplied by 4 equals 28. So that's our answer, and write it here. Then you have to add them all together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 equals 8. 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 equals 3. 5 plus 2 plus 2 equals 9. And 1, put it as the same. So our answer here is 1938. Okay, the same way. Firstly, we want to multiply 48 by 23. Okay, let's estimate. We have 48, 8 is a strong number, so gives 1 to 4, it becomes 50. And 23, it becomes 20, because 3 is a weak number. And then let's multiply them together. 2 zeros, put it as the same. And 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10, so our estimate is 1000. And then the first step, let's multiply tens place. So 2 multiplied by 4 equals 8. And put the two zeros, so it will be 800. The next step, you have to multiply ones and tens place. So you have to put 1 0 first, and 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12, so it will be 120. The next step, you have to multiply tens by ones. So let's put the 1 0, and 2 multiplied by 8 equals 16. And the last step, step 4, you have to multiply ones place and the ones place. 3 multiplied by 8 equals 24. There is no zeros because it's ones place. So let's add them together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4. 0 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 equals 10. 0 and carry up 1 here. 8 plus 1 plus 1 equals 10, and we have 1 here, it will be 11. So our answer is 1104. Okay, the first one, Muhammad al-Bakshi. Okay, Muhammad, tell me the first one. let's rewrite it. 12 multiplied by 12. First of all, it's the easiest way. You have to put the zeros first, okay? So let's put 2 zeros here and 1 0 in the ones place and another 0 in the ones place, okay? Every time you have to put these zeros first, okay? After that, let's start with tens place. So 1 multiplied by 1 equals what, Muhammad?
1.
1, excellent. So let's write it here. After that, let's multiply the tens place with the ones place.
2 multiplied by 1 equals 2.
Excellent. So let's write 2 here. And the next step, let's multiply 2 by 1.
1 multiplied 2.
2 again. And the last step,
Yes.
let's multiply the ones place.
2 multiplied by 2 equals 4.
4, and write it here. And let's add them all together.
0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4.
Excellent.
0 plus 2 plus 2, 4.
Excellent. Great job. The next step and the last step.
And 1,
Yes.
and 1 go down.
So our answer here is 144. It's very simple, right, Muhammad?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much, my dear. Okay, the next one. Fahd.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, Fahd. How are you?
Good, fine. Now,
Okay, let's multiply number 2. Let's rewrite it here. Yes.
we're gonna put like the first one 4 zeros.
Excellent. Let's put the 4 zeros first. Like that.
Now 3 multiply 2 is 6.
Excellent.
Then 2 multiply 1
It's okay. 2 multiply 1
2.
or 3 multiply by 4. It's the same. Yes.
Okay. 2 multiply 1
Yes.
equal 2.
Yes, write it here. And then?
Then 4 multiply 3 equal 12.
Great. And then the last step.
Then 1 multiply 4 equal 4.
Excellent. So start with tens place and end with ones place, okay? And let's add.
Now we're gonna add 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 equal 4. 0 plus 2 plus 2 equal 4. And 6 plus 1 equals 7.
6 plus 1 equals 7. Excellent. So our answer here is 744, as you see here.
40.
Great job, man. I'm so proud of you, Fahd. Okay, the next one. Yazan, tell me the next one.
You write it again.
25 multiplied by 43. Yes. Don't forget.
Put the 4 zeros.
Excellent. So you have to put the 4 zeros first. Don't forget to put the zeros. And then?
Then we multiply 4 by 2.
Yes, excellent. So let's start with the tens place. 4 by 2 equals what?
8, okay.
After that?
After that, we multiply 4 by 5.
Excellent. Let's multiply 4 by 5.
Equals 20.
20. Great. And then?
And then 3 multiplied 2 equals 6.
So 3 multiplied by 2 equals 6. And the last step,
Yeah.
start with the tens and end with the ones.
The one.
Start with the tens and end with ones. Okay? So let's multiply the ones.
3 multiplied 5 equals 15.
Excellent. And then let's add.
Yeah. 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 5. And 1 plus 6 equals 7. And 8 plus 2 equals 10.
Excellent. So our answer here is 1075. Thank you very much, Yazan. You are great. Okay, the next one. Yasir Zayer.
First thing, write it, then put the 4 zeros.
Excellent.
Then multiply 3 by 2.
Okay, after
3
that?
by 3 by 2 equals 6.
Great.
So the first one is 600. Then
Yes.
3 multiply 6 equals 18.
18. Yes.
And then 2 multiply 7 equals 14.
Great.
And then 6 multiply 7 equals 42.
42. And then let's add.
Then add them. The first one is 2.
The first one is 2.
Second one,
Yes.
The second one is 16.
16. 6 and carry up 1.
1 plus 6 equals 7, 7 plus 1 equals 8, plus 1 equals 900.
9.
Equals
Excellent. So our
962.
answer here is 962. Thank you, Yasser. You are very smart.